Hi everyone. In the last class, we have covered conditional formatting till here, right? Under highlight cell rules, we have covered greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contain a date occurring and duplicate values, right? So today we are going to discuss top or bottom rules. So in this section, we can see top 10 items, top 10 percentage, bottom 10 items, bottom 10 percentage, above average and below average. We can discuss one by one. Okay. So to do this, what we need to do first, we need to select the cell which we need to highlight. See, I have selected. Okay, I have selected column B. In this, I have got physics mark, right? So in this, I need to highlight top 10 marks. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to go to conditional formatting, top or bottom rules, top 10 items, click on here. Okay, so now you can see top 10 marks got highlighted, right? We have 11 rows here. So, right, here we can see 10 marks got highlighted, right? So it doesn't mean that you can select only 10 marks, you can highlight any number, okay? So, I mean, the scenario allows you to specify any number of cells to highlight based on the cell value, okay? Not only 10 values, you can specify any number here. So I'm going to change the number here. Top 2 values I need to highlight. You can select the color from here, okay? So you can select the color. See, I'm going to highlight with the green fill with the dark green text. See, now you can see from this selected cell, top 2 values got highlighted, 89 and 98. Clear? Okay. So this is the highest mark in physics. Okay. Two top marks, I can say. Fine. So now how to clear this rule from this cell? Select the cell again, right? Go to conditional formatting, then clear rules. Clear rules from the selected cells. See, now there is no rule in this particular cell, right? Now what I need to do? I need to highlight top 10 percentage. Okay, go to conditional formatting. Next section is top 10 percentage. Okay, click on here. You can see the top 10 percentage got highlighted. Okay, so how this is working? This scenario is similar to the top 10 scenario only, but here the selected cells are evaluated on percentage basis. Got it? Here also you can select any number. Okay, so I mean here we have 11 values, right? So 11 values, 10 percentage, I can say around one number, right? So top 10 percentage got highlighted. Top, like top one number got highlighted here. Okay, 11's 10 percentage is one, around one, right? So if you select 20 percentage, two values will get highlighted, right? So 20's 10 percentage will be around 2, right? 20's 10 percentage, okay? Because we have 11 values here. Okay, so two numbers got highlighted here. So here it is evaluated on the basis of percentage. Clear? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight bottom 10 items. Okay, click on the cell, go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, top or bottom rules. You can see bottom 10 items. Now you can see bottom 10 items got highlighted, right? The least values, got highlighted. So the one value you can see, 98 not got highlighted. That is the greatest number here, right? Here also you can select any number. See, if you want to select, least 3 values, select least 3 values. See, least 3 values got highlighted. If you click on OK, that rule will be applied. Okay. Now, if you wanted to clear the rule, what you can do? Just go to conditional formatting, clear rules. These things and all we discussed in detail in the last session, right? So clear rule from the selected cells. Correct. So now you know how to highlight top 10 values, bottom 10 values, top 10 percentage. Now we are going to do bottom 10 percentage. Okay. So go here, select bottom 10 percentage. See, you can see 11 values, 10 percentage. That means one value, right? Got highlighted here, right? Around one got highlighted, right? One value got highlighted here, right? So you can select anything from here. You can do custom format. These things are all we have discussed in the last session, right? So you can select any number from here, okay? We want to select 30 percentage. So you can change it here, okay? 30 percentage. So you can see 3 values got highlighted, right? Clear? So this is, almost similar to below 10 items only, bottom 10 items only, bottom 10 item scenario. So here in this scenario, only the selected cells are evaluated on the percentage basis. Clear? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, and even when you are highlighting the cell, you can select the range also. Not only one column, okay? You can select the range also. You know what is a range, right? Okay. So now I have selected a range. In this, I have physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics marks, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to conditional formatting, top or bottom rules, above average. Okay, so I need to highlight the cells which is above average. Clear? So this particular scenario allow you to conditionally format the cell or the value is above average. Okay, click on here. Okay, and click on OK. So above average, we can give a different color, green fill with dark green text. See, click on OK. See, now all the values which is above average got highlighted. See, this is very useful for quickly identifying the cells that meet certain criteria. We have given above average, right? So, I mean, conditional formatting could be used to quickly identify all the cells which meet certain criteria. Okay, similarly, you can give below average. See, I have selected the range. Go to conditional formatting. Okay, top or bottom rules. Here we have below average. See, we can give a different color. Yeah, this color suits here. So we can give light red fill with the dark red text. Okay, click on OK. See now, right? Above average got highlighted with green color and below average got highlighted with the red color. You can easily identify the data, right? Yes. So we have covered under this top, bottom and average and below average, right? Yeah. Okay. Now how to clear the rule? Select the cell, conditional formatting, clear rule from the entire sheet or clear rule from the selected cell, because I didn't give any other rule, right, in this particular sheet. So you can select anything. So clear rule from the selected cells. See, now the sheet is clear, right? Hope you understood. So we can see in the next class. Thank you.